Have you ever wondered why we say in the room, on the table, or at 3 p.m., but not the other way around? Prepositions might look small, but they completely change the meaning of a sentence. In this lesson, you're going to understand English prepositions in the simplest and clearest way possible, with real examples you can actually use in daily life. Let's get started. First of all, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another part of the sentence. In simple words, it tells us where something is, when something happens, or how something happens. Now let's break it down step by step. Prepositions of place. These tell us where something is located. Listen carefully. The book is on the table. She is sitting in the room. The cat is under the chair. The shoes are next to the door. He lives at number 25 Baker Street. Each of these words on, in, under, next to, at shows position or place. Prepositions of time. Now, let's talk about time. We use these prepositions to show when something happens. I was born in 2005. The meeting is at 3 p.m. She works on Monday. We will meet after dinner. They arrived before sunrise. Notice how each preposition connects the action to time. Prepositions of direction or movement. These show movement from one place to another. She walked to school. He jumped into the pool. The bird flew over the house. They ran through the tunnel. The car went toward the city. These words help us understand direction clearly. Prepositions of cause or reason. Now, let's look at why something happens. He is famous for his songs. She was punished for being late. They succeeded because of hard work. The game was canceled due to rain. These prepositions explain reasons and causes. Prepositions of manner. Finally, let's see how something happens. She spoke with confidence. He solved the problem with ease. They traveled by bus. The letter was written in ink. These words describe the way something is done. A quick reminder. Here is something important to remember. A preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. For example, in the room, on the table, at night. Simple, but very powerful. So now you understand English prepositions, what they are, and how they work in real sentences. The key is practice. The more you see and use them, the more natural they become. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep learning and keep improving your English step by step. See you in the next lesson.